Hi guys, good morning. Today we will have our day trip together with my girlfriends, and I don't know where are we going, but maybe somewhere in Lapu-Lapu where my other friend Irene lives there. So I'm just waiting. I think it's already around 4:50 something. So our call time is 5 a.m. So see you there. Bye. So this is the result of the curl. It's not that nindot, pero what I like about it, it's like making your hair kanang volume kaayo. So nag-backpack ko kay daghan di padala. Ako mga gipang dala lain sa nina. Work ko an camping. We're here in Punta Store. Nami diri karon sa tindahan ni Jonah J. na Porda.
Nag-vlog ka ba?
Oh. Naghuwat mi nila. Ay, na may music.
Okay na sa niya. Hi! Welcome to our vlog. Saman. Mama rin, abot na misa.
Uy, vlog mo na. Uy, di ba?
Sama rin, uy. Naan na misa. Uy, ikaw na lang sila yan.
Hi guys! So we're here in SM.
SM City, Cebu. Saan may kasturya sa tubig?
Nagsakay namin para padong kuan. So mga 5, 6, 7, 8, mga 3 hours lang Cebu to kuan sa. Everyone, so we're now here in Ritz Azul. Ritz Azul.
Manta sa tabi.
Ritz, asa na ba?
Ritz Azul!
So, tagwa ni siya 4,000 and you will own the whole place. Yes. I will show you the place. Whole place. So for 4,000 you will have the whole place. Then, ito na siya. You will have your own CR and this place with free karaoke. So this is the room with one air condition.
Kabaw ba ka guys, ang among gikaproblemahan karon is nag-apang new place, kani siya exclusive.
Yes.
4,000. But then again, the water is so high tide. Taog kaayo. Dimi ka langoy. And then yan na ang katong caretaker. na mag-need daw siya og floating if ever but it worth 1,800 daw. But it's so expensive. Then we don't have any much money to
So we need sugar daddy. Hi, sugar daddy out there.
makinhanglan niyo sugar daddy or sugar mommy. Sugar daddy. So di na lang yung mabang no. Pwede naman may mulayat kay baboy man yung mulutaw. Oh my God.
It's a prank. Oh. Ding, 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 ding. Ding, ding, ding. Ding, ding, ding. Mamaya na mag-vlog, ah. Kaya na.
Ato tabangan si Mama Rin, kamu ba? Amo daw tabangan si Aileen kay kawaon niya mi dire.
Hi guys! Pero wala may ka-video kayo. Grabe kayo yung focus sa swimming. Grabe kayo ka high time! Grabe kayo ka high time! Hindi ko ba mo lang mo eh. Ayo, sorry. Ako 9-4, naman eh.
Hi, vlog. Hello, ilusok ako na. Dinhi, oh, Mrs.
Everyone, I'm sorry for my face. So we're currently here at the top of this floating cottage. Yes. And look how beautiful the golden sun, because it's still 5 in the afternoon.
Yes, you're right. Absolutely.
We're very tired and exhausted, but at the same time happy because we were able to
Make fun.
yeah, and you know. So mao to. We were not able to take more videos na kay we're very kapwi and exhausted na kaayo. Also, we went straight to the bus terminal na, and for me it's weird if I'll take more videos inside the bus when you're very sleepy. So, mao to. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe, good please. Watch the di mo subscribe. Bye! Kaya magtrabaho pa ko.